Hey everyone, this is Hugo, aka Unforeseeable 2.0, and welcome to another episode of Science Time. Today I'm going to be talking about even more acids and bases. Now, for my last two acids and bases, I did them up in New Jersey with cranberry sauce and phenolphthalein. But this time I'm going to use it with this piece of red cabbage. So if you look over there, there is a pot full of boiling water, which is going to be helpful later on. And of course, here's the red cabbage and this knife. And over here, I have 3 glasses, and each one with a substance: soap, baking soda, a straw, and vinegar. These are going to be helpful. Now, I'm going to start off by cutting this red cabbage. And over right here, to go make it more suitable, is this chopper. Okay, so over here, I chopped up the red cabbage, and now I am going to boil this into this pot, and then we'll see you a little while later. Okay, so I got some purple water from the red cabbage in here. So what I'm going to do is then I'm going to go take this, hold it, okay. Like that. Okay. Okay, so I divided up all of the cabbage water into these cups. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go experiment and see what color I'll change when I pour something acidic or basic. First off is a classic thing anyway. Vinegar. As you can see right here, it has turned reddish pink. Next up is the classic base. Baking soda. Over here is blue. Third thing, carbon. Even though it's much darker than this purple, and finally some soap. So as you can see here, the cabbage water started out from this, and then it ended up to these three factors. But why? Here, it looks like that the dish soap, the baking soda, the carbon, and the vinegar made a big change. But the question is, how did only the simple factors, these simple substances, change the color of the cabbage water? Well, it's based off of their pH level. Red cabbage contains something called anthocyanin, which can be used as a pH indicator. If something is acidic, as an example of these two, it turns a little bit lighter or redder. Like if I were to add vinegar or carbon. If something was basic, like the baking soda, it turns blue. Like in these two examples. So I guess that you could say that this experiment involves me separating purple from red to blue. Well, I'm Hugo, aka Unforeseeable 2.0, and thanks for watching Science Time. Don't forget to go check out some of my other Season 2 episodes.
Subscribe!
Along with some other Season 1 episodes. See ya!